Stop it. Stop it. Come on. Yeah, come get you, boy. Oh, you're all hopped up on catnip, aren't you? That's what your problem is, you freak. Bitcoin action for you. I didn't think I would see it, but the analysts hey, what? What? Are you sitting on my lap? You on my lap, dude. The analysts I analyze are in a state of panic, it would appear. Let's go to the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. Here's my dip net. Well, let's go to the 1 hour. You probably see it better. There's my dip net box. The analysts I analyze. Somehow I extrapolated from all these people I watch on YouTube that this was going to happen, yet none of them actually said this would happen. Isn't that interesting? I gained a lot of experience in the last 2 years. To the left of this line, right here, you see the normal stock market. To the right of this line, my cursor, you see Bitcoin. So I was invested in some companies that did some kind of shady things, and then there was shady. I don't even want to go into it. In my last video I published, I talked about this, and what's really going on is that people with a lot of money are totally manipulating these markets. And this right here is actually COVID-19. There's not a lot to be said about that. But before that, and when I got into this, I knew I had lessons to learn because I was inexperienced, and I learned these lessons. And these lessons were just the mistakes you make in life, the mistakes you make in business, the mistakes you make anywhere are the absolute greatest things that can ever happen to you, because that's how you learn. And that's what I wanted, and that's what happened. Anyways, I don't know how you are, but me personally, I really don't learn a whole lot unless I experience it, and I learn. When I make mistakes, I learn, and I don't make a mistake again, generally, because mistakes hurt. To any entrepreneur, any investor, any business person, mistakes hurt, and they hurt a lot. So it's like getting kicked in the shin bone. You don't want to get kicked in the shin bone again. I got kicked in the shin bone once. I got kicked in the shin bone twice. I got kicked in the shin bone 3 times. I got 2 shin bones. So I learned my lesson. I don't want to toot my own horn here, but I think this is what is going on. I am analyzing all these really high quality analysts on YouTube that have been in this for a long time, but even they get carried away. And I'm not faulting them or anything, but even now, I mean, they're kind of in a panic state, even the really experienced ones. And I'm not dogging anyone. I'm not going to call anyone out. But Bitcoin's going to bounce. And anyone out there just getting a stimulus check, if you got a stimulus check last April, that $1,200 one, if you would have put that $1,200 stimulus check, I'm not talking about trading with leverage or anything. I'm just simply talking about investing in Bitcoin. Just investing. You can even go to a site like Robinhood. They don't even give real Bitcoin, but they'll give you the dollar equivalent to it. If Bitcoin goes up, they'll give you those dollars. And you want to look at it on the internet and find someplace where you can get in, maybe Cash App or Kraken. I don't know. It's kind of hard to get into Bitcoin. Lots of banks don't want to deal with it. But if you want to, you can find a place to invest in Bitcoin. $1,200 stimulus check last April 2020 is worth, well, it went down now, probably about $10,000. It was worth $11,000 yesterday. $10,000 today is going to be worth $11,000 tomorrow. It's going to be worth probably $13,000, $14,000, $15,000 by the end of the week. The point I'm getting to is a lot of you will be getting a $1,400 stimulus check. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not telling you what to do. But when that check shows up in my mailbox, because I did my taxes early, you know where it's going? It's going straight into investing in Bitcoin. If I can buy $1,400 worth of Bitcoin under $60,000, it's going to double. In my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. Always trust yourself. Don't listen to anyone else. $1,200 stimulus check last April. We're worth about 10 grand today. And I just want to throw this out there. My $1,400 stimulus check is going straight into Bitcoin. That's what I'm doing. Under $60,000, just investing. I'm going to triple my money at a minimum. Just my opinion. I had this dip net set up right here. There it is, the red box. I actually extended it. I still have some left. I had it all the way down to 51,000, which would be right about here. But I said that was too far. I couldn't imagine it doing that. I put it back up to 56. It was just a touch up. I said, well, actually, you know what? I don't mean to toot my own kitty cat on my lap here, but hey, you know what? I was just about perfect. It could drop further. I mean, then I would be wrong. Well, I'd be kind of wrong. I said 51,000 is where I have orders set up. But I said it would probably go down in here in my dip net box. We'd probably have a quick wick and a bump back up. If you want to watch my last video, that's exactly what I said. Now, I could still be wrong. It could still dip down here. But there are billionaires and billionaire entities in Mass Mutual over, a century-old insurance company. And it's just billionaire entities just lining up to get into this. So this is a shakeout, fake out before the breakout. Crypto Zombie actually said that. I just stole it from him. He's right. In my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, so make your own judgments. But in my opinion, simply investing, not trading or with leverage or anything, but simply investing right now is really good. Not a financial advisor. I think you got my point. All right, later. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. And as always, thanks for listening. Why don't you meow, dude? Dude, hey, you have literally been meowing all night long. Meow, meow. What's it? Oh, we got a growl. I said howl, not growl. Let's get some of this audio.